Hi, I'm Ryan, co-founder and CEO of Corewell. Corewell is a telemedicine platform for in-home psychedelic therapy, starting with ketamine. If you're not familiar with ketamine, it's been prescribed in the United States since 1970 as an anesthetic, and recently doctors have been prescribing it in low doses to treat depression. Now, this is something that's very near and dear to my heart because I myself am a ketamine patient. The reason I'm a ketamine patient is because I was one of those teenagers that really tried to end my life. And about a year and a half ago, I was thinking of doing it again until I found this medicine and had my life completely transformed. But in the process, I learned that there were a number of problems with this market. There's hundreds of brick and mortar clinics across the country that are highly fragmented, which means there's poor new patient experiences involving a lot of paperwork. Many of the clinics feel very clinical. And beyond that, there's very poor follow up care. I've done a ton of inner work during COVID, but it was largely self directed. So we've built a solution to address this, starting with technology that really streamlines the experience for patients so that they can emerge from their fog. Beyond that, we're offering in-home IV therapy unlike anyone else on the market. What's more cozy than being in your own bed? And we build transformational coaching into the core of our product. So here's how it works. Someone comes to our website and schedules a call with a mental health professional in order to receive a diagnosis. From there, they have another video call with a doctor who writes the prescription, and then a nurse is dispatched to their home to actually provide the therapy. This is relevant now because in early 2019, Johnson & Johnson received FDA approval on a nasal inhalant version of ketamine specifically to treat depression. And during COVID, there has been a more than 250% rise in serious suicide ideation. And depression is already a problem that's affecting 17 million Americans every year. Our business is simple. We charge $500 per infusion, and after paying providers and medicine, we take home about $200. We expect patients to get about 10 infusions during their first year, and then another 10 in the years following, for about 20 infusions during their life, or $4,000 in total value. We expect our loaded customer acquisition cost to be about 1/10 this lifetime value, and just for t-shirt sizing, once we're doing 6 infusions a day, we're on $1 million run rate. We believe we're on the right track because we've talked to hundreds of users. We've validated that we can expand to a new market in less than 3 weeks, recruiting all the providers we need. And we have a pilot launched right now in Seattle. We're building our team here in Puerto Rico and we'll be expanding to this market once we reach our next milestone. Corewell is uniquely positioned as a highly approachable, mission-driven brand with a patient as the CEO. That's me. We're also highly convenient. Think of us like Uber for ketamine, but with a giant heart. My partner, Dr. Frank Lee, is an anesthesiologist with a prior healthcare exit, and I'm a product hacker with a prior technology exit. Together, we're the perfect founder fit and have everything we need to succeed, except the capital, which is why we're raising $500,000 to build scalable technology, automate our sales processes, and expand to 5 new markets. I can be reached ryan@corewell.com. We are trying to change the world through telemedicine and psychedelic therapy. If that's your jam, reach out. I'd love to talk to you. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you the best in life.